Today we're coming up to the May long weekend. The gardens are starting to bloom and it's coming up to Father's Day. So I am going to do a quick unboxing of the Sumapner electric burner or smoker, for whiskeys or pretty much any cocktail actually. I have been getting pretty much spammed with all these ads for these smokers that I thought, hey, that sounds cool, I'm gonna grab one. So I went on Amazon and found one that was fairly cheap for what you're getting, and it's coming with, it's got your spoon, smoker, the brush, 2 glasses, 2 ice ball molds, and 6 flavors. The box itself looks pretty good if you were to gift this to somebody as a first impression. Now let's give it a quick opening and see what we get inside here. Get that open. Let's just pull that. So here we go. We have a user's manual. We can do a quick slide across. Cocktail recipes. See what they give you as a boom. And then let's see what we got. Well, the glasses are light. I prefer my glasses a little bit heavier, but it's ready to go out of the box there. And these are the ice balls. I'll see if I can figure that out and follow up maybe, or stitch it in after. And then here we have, just pry that open, cleaning brush and a spoon. Let's see what flavors they gave us. We got some pecan, apple, oak, pear, peach, and cherry. Tucked in the back there is a USB charger. That's always nice that you don't have to change batteries. I believe they advertise 130 smokes or so before it needs recharging though. And there is the smoker. Let's pull that off there. I believe that, there we go, lock and unlock. So we're going to unlock it. That's where we're going to put our wood chips. And close it up and see if we can get it going. So give me a moment here to clean up the box and I'll see if I can get a drink going. We're going to be using good old Canadian whiskey, distilled from the Spirit of York. Let's try the oak. and it is full. Just take that little out of there. So once again, let's pop it open. Use the spoon. Put a couple of scoops in there. Not going to fill it all the way for the first run. Oops. I'll line those back up. Lock it up. Put it on the glass. Press to turn it on. Blink twice. Alright, sorry, we gotta press for 2 seconds until the light turns green. 2. I do believe we have a dud. Well, looks like I will be having my scotch or my whiskey unsmoked until we hear back from customer support. Okay, so with Amazon Prime, there's no dealing with customer support or any of that. We just shipped it back and ordered another one. So let's get this out of the box and go right for it and see what's going to go on here. And moment of truth. So we're just going to grab this out of the box here. I'll get that set back up. Sorry. There we go. So let's pull that out of the box. Once again, let's pull this tab off of it. And I was going with, if I recall, the oak. There's the oak. Probably fill it a little bit more, but let's just see. That one seems to have clicked shut, so once again, it says to hold for 2 seconds and boom. See it? Now we got a light. And give it a go. Turns green. And let's see what happens. Oh, immediately you can smell that. I believe the manual said it will go for about 20 seconds. Blue. Smells really nice. Don't know if I'm going to be able to use this indoors. Brilliant. So, check your Amazon return policies if you don't have Amazon Prime, because the first one out of the box did not work. This one did. Sorry. Thank you for watching the unboxing of the Sumapner smoker. As always, if you enjoy these videos, please like, subscribe.